Hello everyone, happy weekend. Hope you're good. So we just ended the first week of the month and the second week is about to commence. And what's the first week of the month? As you can see, there's a whole lot. The fuck cat is doing up here. Come on, let me tweak this a little bit. So the first week was NFP week, crazy week. So NFP really didn't do much. People's faces were salty because NFP lost his whole sauce. Yeah. Why? Because Monday was expansive, Tuesday was, Wednesday same thing, Thursday. We'll hop into the charts. We'll see how the market expanded for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, little pep talk on the news events for the new week. So, the second week will be CPI week. So, Monday, there's nothing. Tuesday, we have USD news, and Wednesday, USD, main day for CPI. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will not be doing nothing. I'll sit on my hands and watch what they will do with the news events on price. Then Thursday and Friday should at least give me an opportunity to trade. So without further ado, let's hop into the charts and see what dollar did, or how this whole news events affected dollar, Bitcoin, gold, and other currencies. Yeah. So this is the dollar index. This is the daily time frame, as you can see down here. Each candles represent a day, and this is the previous week's trading ranges for each day. This is Monday. You can see how huge the candle is on Monday. Tuesday, huge candle. Wednesday, the same thing. Then look at what Thursday and Friday did. It looked like it lost all the momentum from these three candles, right? So these two candles are smaller than these three candles. Yeah. So this is what the dollar did for the previous week after finding resistance in the fair value gap from the daily time frame from the last video. Price expanded down aggressively. So I was hoping November low will be taken, since December low has been taken. So I was looking for November low to be taken with NFP. You can see how close it got to it. You can see how close it got to it with Friday's price action, with Friday's trading range. So this Thursday and this is Friday. Yeah. So the dollar was bearish from Monday to Friday. Like, the dollar was heavily bearish for the week. So if you're looking for buys on gold, if you're looking for buys on GU, if you're looking for buys on Euro, if you're looking for buys on Bitcoin did its own thing. I don't know. Bitcoin refused to go up, bro. So this is the dollar for the previous week. You can see how expensive it is, right? Kind of stand out to you, right? Yeah. So for the new week, I want to see maybe Monday would come down, and there's a fair value gap right here, but the fair value gap was not from the daily time frame. The fair value gap came from the weekly time frame. I haven't really talked about the weekly time frame in any of my videos, so it's a good time to start everything, right? So this is the fair value gap I was hoping dollar would fill up, but didn't get that, right? So I want to see maybe Monday would, come down and fill the fair value gap, or you can see while price was was expanding lower, you can see the fair value gaps is leaving in its way, going down. Fair value gap right here, fair value gap right here. That's 1, 2, and 3. This large ass fair value gap right here too. So maybe Monday would want to go up and fill in half of the fair value gap from this large ass fair value gap, then start going down, or maybe Monday would come down and take out November's low and boom, we go up. So this is what dollar did for the previous week. It was crazy. From Monday to Friday, dollar was. So let me hop into the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what dollar did for the week. Yeah, you can see, right? It's crazy. All the bearish fair value gaps were used. Price was using them to find resistance to go lower. Right here, there's a fair value gap right here. Price traded into it, go lower. This one was from the 4 hour time frame. Price could not use it as support, traded below it, created another fair value gap, went in again, went in the second time, then traded lower. December lows were in sight back there. So this was the previous week's low, and this is the previous week's high. See how what price did, takes out the previous week's high, then we price lower, take out the previous week low. Yeah, so that was about that on the dollar. Dollar was just going lower, lower. So this was the Friday for the NFP. So everyone was expecting the NFP to, I was expecting the NFP to drive price lower and take out the November lows, but you can see how dollar was just being choppy. Right from Thursday, was slowing down the momentum from the sales from the week. So anyways, I had it in back of my mind, like maybe the NFP news will just be normal. Why? Because the dollar has already been expanding down for the week. It's expanding lower already. Already large ranges days. There were large range days, as you can see. You can see Tuesday. This is Wednesday, boom. Tuesday, boom. Monday, boom. Then Thursday was like it was just consolidating, right? Yeah. So that was about that on dollar. Let's head down to the next currency. So this is pound. This is pound dollar. Yeah, this is pound dollar. That's British pound coupled with the US dollar. Now, if the dollar is bearish from Monday to Friday, what do you think GU would do? What do you think Euro would do? It's simple, yeah. So the pound was bullish. You can see from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was the day. It was indecisive day for pound, and Friday as well. Boom, went up. So if you see here, there's a fair value gap right here. Price uses it as a support right here to trade lower. Then here uses it as a what? As support to go higher, right? Sorry, it was resistance. We're using it as resistance right here to go lower. Then on the other side of the buy side, this is the sell side. Now this is the buy side, right? Price is buying. So flip the fair value gap. Now price using it as what? As a support to what? To go higher. Right? So this is the December high. I was looking for this high. So this is December highs. So this is the December high. You can see how dollar was taking out December lows and GU is taking out what? December highs. So the relationship between the dollar and the pound is a bit opposite. So if the dollar is taking out the lows, you want to see GU taking out highs, right? So yeah. Let me hop down to the 1 hour time frame and see how GU expanded for the week. It was crazy. It was crazy, yo. So you see how price uses that fair value gap from the daily time frame as support here, right? Price traded above, came down and found support inside the fair value gap. Inside that daily fair value gap, I annotated this one here. So price was using it as a resistance right here. Then price was using it as what? As a support right here. So that was what GU did. As you can see, GU was bullish from Monday till NFP Friday. Yeah. So what am I expecting for GU, for pound, for the new week? For the new week, since I'm still looking for dollar to take out the November lows, as you can see how GU November highs is a bit lengthy. The range, let me show you some. See how close the XY is to its own November low, right? So if I want to consider GU taking out November highs, I do not want to see dollar take out its own low immediately with Monday's price action. I want to see a manipulation up, a run up into this fair value gap, then find a resistance, either half or the midpoint of it, to go lower and sweep out this November low. Then I would know, okay, GU will have the momentum to what? To go up, to go higher. But if the dollar takes out November low and GU refuses to take out this November high with Monday's price action, so then I will sit and watch what they want to do. So yeah, so that's about that. So my target for GU, I'm still bullish on the pound, so maybe this fair value gap will be utilized if eventually the dollar would want to go higher before going lower. So I want to see GU go lower before going higher. Am I making sense? Yeah. So I want to see pound go lower before going higher. So that will be my thought process for the new week on pound. Even the euro as well, you can see the difference, right? You can see the difference. Euro is closer to its November high. Why? Because euro was a bit stronger than pound during the week. Let me see how many pips euro went. Wow, 514 pips, yo. It's crazy. Can you get 100 out of that? 50? It's GU. It's GU. Now let's check the pound. The pound rose 366 pips. Now you see the difference, right? So for the previous week, euro was stronger than the pound, hence why I was trading just euro. I had euro buys for the week. So that's about that. To determine what pair would be stronger or weaker, that is a whole discussion for another video, and it's a bit complicated, yeah. So that's why euro was a bit lengthier than GU. So you can see the candles are more huge because the euro was strong. And if the euro is strong and the dollar is weak, what do you think will happen? The euro, you see the euro pricing higher aggressively, yeah. So same thing for the euro. If the euro came into this daily fair value gap, I want to see maybe a resistance to go lower, then go higher, take out new November highs. November highs are still my target for the week, for the upcoming week. So I want to see some retracement before we go higher, or we go higher then we crash. So you can see there's a lot of fair value gaps being created as the euro was going up, right? The same thing with the dollar, right? So yeah, let me head down to the 1 hour time frame and see the expansion of the euro. This is the 1 hour time frame. So this is the hourly time frame. As you can see how the euro was expanding as crazy, taking out previous day's highs. Monday highs was taken by Tuesday, Tuesday's highs was taken by Wednesday, and Wednesday's highs was taken by Thursday, and Thursday's high was taken by Friday. So in a very, very bullish scenario, or a bullish week, you want to see previous highs being targeted as liquidity, yeah, new word. So this is the fair value graph from the daily time frame. You can see how price went into it, but look at the bodies of the candle still staying inside. So I want to see maybe price we want to use this fair value graph from the 4 hour time frame to reprice higher. but we'll see. By Monday's price action, we'll see. Let me touch on gold. Was a bit tight for the week, even though the dollar was weak, but gold was weak as well. Look at what gold did. Monday tried to go up, Tuesday tried to go up, Wednesday tried to go up, but this fair value gap from here, price was using it as well here, resistance, right? So I was expecting gold to use this fair value gap as support to go higher and take out the February highs. So February was the all-time high that gold put in, 24th of February. So I was expecting this fair value gap to hold price and go up, but that was not the case on gold. Look at Connaught, yeah. So for the week on gold, I'm still neutral. I want to see what gold will do. Till when it shows me momentum to want to go up more, then okay, it will be biased for gold then. But for the upcoming week, I'm still sticking to the idea of the lower dollar and higher gold, GU, Bitcoin. So this is the gold on the hourly time frame. You can see how the price action was muddy. Yeah, it was really muddy, bro. You can see how it was muddy. From the only clean price move on gold happened on Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday to Friday was just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Wasn't easy to read at all. So that's about that on gold. Bitcoin, bruh. Bitcoin was swaying everybody. Took everyone for a sucker. It's crazy, bro. Now let me take that off and let me take this off. This was the opening of the week. It was crazy, right? Look at the candle. Look at Monday. Boom. So I was thinking, okay, let's see if Bitcoin will have the momentum to take out February's high, but that was not the case, bro. That was not the case. Bitcoin could not close above this fair value gap. As you can see, Monday stretched, traded above it, then closed lower. Tuesday ran into it again, then Thursday found support. Look at the bodies of the candle, all staying at the lower half. If price is staying at the lower half, what does that mean? It means it's weak. It means it's bearish, yeah. So we have Friday pricing lower on Bitcoin. Now, where will Bitcoin go for the new week? Until Bitcoin has shown me some willingness to turn this fair value gap to support, since it's used it here as well as resistance, right? So I want to see Bitcoin should reprice higher and use this fair value gap as a support. Then I'll like to see these equal highs from the February highs get taken, maybe all-time high too as well. If not, I think Bitcoin will crash, bro. There's a fair value gap down here. So this big ass fair value gap was what Bitcoin was feeling from the whole down move. Now it's done with that imbalance. I want to see Bitcoin resume its bullish momentum. So I'm still sitting on my hands on the coin, bro. So yeah, that's about that on Bitcoin. Go to the 4-hour time frame and see what we'll get. Let me shift this out a bit. As you can see, there's a fair value gap right here. You can see how price was trading up, down, above it. This was the Monday candle I was telling you about. See how huge it is? See how huge it is here? So I was expecting price, as this retracement was coming down, I was expecting price to, use this fair value gap as a support to reprice higher and take out all these highs. But no, this fair value gap was there. See what price did, came into the fair value gap, could not go above. So that's about that on Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame and see. Okay, Thomas my network right there, bro. So this is Bitcoin. So this is the fair value gap I was showing on the 4-hour time frame. Here price uses what as a support. So from here I was expecting Bitcoin to rally up, but no, look at the candles. The momentum wasn't really all there. Then boom, trades lower. So Bitcoin was just, wasn't really that it for the week. So this is Monday. This is the opening of the week. Boom. Then crash down on Monday. Boom. Tuesday tried. Wednesday tried to go up. Thursday crash down. Friday tried to go up. Now crash down again. So I'm neutral on Bitcoin. Don't know where the coin wants to, pop his head up again. So that's about that on Bitcoin. I think this will be a short one. Yeah. So happy new week. Trade safe and thank you for your time. Thank God for the new week. Yeah. 21.